everyone, this is Sylvia with the Salsa with Sylvia trick of the week, and this is Mario. Today, we are doing an absolute beginner salsa on one lesson where we will teach you different variations of the right turn. So when you take a class, sometimes you see that your instructor is teaching you a different lead for the right turn. So sometimes they teach you how to lead with the right hand, sometimes they teach you how to lead with the left hand. All of this is okay, and we're going to walk through that today so that you can see the different versions of the right turn, and you can definitely use those on the social dance floor. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So we have covered the footwork for right turn in a previous video, so you can refer to that. We're going to be talking about different types of leads today. So this is your regular right turn, 1, 2, 3, where he leads with his left hand. And the other variation is with his right hand, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So what's really important here is that you give the signal that she's turning. So before you go to the count of 5, you have to lift your hand. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now we're going to go over different ways for the lead to turn. Let's see what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So in this case, he turned under his left arm. So leads always turn on 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So as he's doing the turn on 1, he's also lifting his left hand and turning to his right. Okay, so the other variation for the leads turn, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So this is what we call a right turn with a switch behind his back. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So what you need to remember for this one is that you drop your right hand down and then you switch the hold behind your back. So you're still doing the same footwork. Here it is. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Drop and change. 5, 6, 7. And that's it. So let's check it out and see what it looks like with music.
Dulce y mucho sabor. La salsa que traigo tiene dulce y mucho sabor. Suena bonito, se alborota la gente. Y escúchenlo, cuando se suelta el talento mío, lo hago de corazón. Siempre escribiendo un cuento bonito para el bailador. Oye, lo que traigo es salsa.
So that was it for today. Again, a recap, we learned different variations of how to lead and how to follow a right turn. So we'll see you again in the next trick of the week. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you react, comment, and share. And also, make sure you turn on your notifications so that you can be the first one to get notified when we post new content. Remember to go on our website, www.salsawithsylvia.com. That's where we post our classes, our workshops, and a lot of other good stuff. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.